Whew, what a day, y'all. All right, oil spiked over 9% today, and that's the biggest single day jump since 2020. Now, here's what happened. Trump announced the U.S. is reinstating the blockade on Iran, and that's starting tomorrow at 4 o'clock. So on top of that, he's going to charge a 20% fee on cargo shipped through the Strait of Hormuz. So that's big for a lot of people in this world. Now, here's why that matters to you. Nearly a fifth of the world's oil moves through that strait every single day. So when that route gets threatened, like with the blockade, oil prices move first, and then gas prices follow within a couple of days. Gas Buddy is already saying that we could see $4 a gallon at the pump within the next week to 10. So I'm looking around. That price has already started in a lot of places. Gas prices heading higher is not a maybe, y'all. It is happening. So if you need gas, go get it. I drive a Tesla, so I'm not in that category, thank goodness. But a lot of people are, and I used to be, and it sucks. Okay, all right, so where did the money run today? Straight out of chip stocks. Intel down 4.6%. AMD and Broadcom each fell 3%. Even NVDA, the stock everybody owns, dropped almost 2%. So here's the tell. This is while all these household names were getting hit, energy stocks held the Dow up. That's the Dow Jones. So that's a rotation. Money moving out of tech that everybody owns, names that we all know, and into energy and financials. That is not a crash, y'all. It is just a shift. If you don't understand sector rotation, you need to Google it. Okay, shit. All right, I'll do a report. I'll tell you what, I'll make a special report about it and simplify how rotation works. So I'll tell you in a minute how to get it. All right, so let's talk about what's going on this week. Where should you be looking? What should be on your radar to figure out what the hell's going on? Big banks have earnings this week, and it kicks off tomorrow. We're talking about JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. They all, I almost said another word, Wells Fargo. They all report tomorrow. And these numbers, they matter more than usual right now because they'll tell us how strong the consumer, me, you, actually is with gas prices climbing and inflation data all landing on the same day. If oil keeps climbing on this Iran situation, do not be surprised if the money keeps flowing out of tech and into energy in the banks all week. It's just going to be the way it is. Now, I'm going to be tracking every piece of this data daily this week. So you can get the free report. I'll put out the rotation report probably tomorrow. You can find the link in the bio or in the comments. It just depends on what socials you're watching this on. Hope y'all are having a great week. I'm Jeanette Sims, and remember, trade thirsty, my friends.